Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. Nestled along the Emerald Coast in the Florida Panhandle, this charming community offers a delightful blend of natural beauty and rich history. Established in 1910, Santa Rosa Beach has grown from humble beginnings into a beloved destination. Early settlers were drawn to its stunning white sand beaches and the emerald green waters of the Gulf of Mexico. The area is part of South Walton County and stretches from the shores of Choctawhatchee Bay to the Gulf, encompassing a variety of neighborhoods and natural attractions. Santa Rosa Beach is characterized by its coastal dune lakes, rare natural features found in only a few places worldwide. These lakes, alongside state parks like Grayton Beach and Topsail Hill Preserve, offer ample opportunities for outdoor enthusiasts to explore hiking trails, observe diverse wildlife, and enjoy unspoiled landscapes. The area boasts a vibrant arts scene. Local galleries showcase works from talented artists, and events throughout the year celebrate the creative spirit of the community. The fusion of natural splendor and artistic expression makes Santa Rosa Beach a unique and inviting place to experience. As you explore Santa Rosa Beach, you'll find a harmonious blend of past and present, where historical landmarks stand alongside modern amenities, all set against the backdrop of Florida's breathtaking Gulf Coast.
Thanks for watching!